Luna? Nana? Bibi? 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 Hi everyone, it's Cham again and welcome to my channel and hope you're all well and healthy. Let me take this back out. I will be having an overview about the products I just recently purchased. So without any further ado, let's start unboxing. This is their new packaging. It's more simple and clean look. It is my first time to try eucalyptus and spearmint. This candle has a eucalyptus and spearmint essential oil. It is a perfect candle to help you relax and reground. This type of aromatherapy candle is one of my favorite. It has a eucalyptus essential oil and tea extract, and it helps clear your mind and ease uncertainty. What is a aromatherapy candle? Aromatherapy candle is a general term for candles that contain an indefinite amount of essential oils. Essential oils are concentrated substances that come from plants and resins. Aromatherapy candles can help you relax, feel calm, energized, and help your brain get into a more productive mindset. It can relieve anxiety and depression also. Eucalyptus candles are energizing and improve focus. I always trim its wick before I start using. This to ensure that your candles burn safely and brightly. When you trim wicks, you can expect your candles to provide more illumination. Trimmed wicks can cause candle flames to take on a dull appearance, which affects the amount of light they give off. Some candles create a black sooty residue when you burn them. This can leave marks on ceilings or other nearby surfaces. Trimming wicks on a regular basis helps reduce the amount of residue candles produce while burning. That's all set for today. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.